Well, good morning. Happy Thursday morning. Back home on the East Coast, it is Thursday, November 13th. It is 8:19 a.m. And here in the Philippines, it is Thursday, November 13th, 9:19 p.m. We're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to talk about gold here. As you can see, it is on a beautiful run. I'm going to go back to the 4-hour chart. I'm going to show you here how nicely this thing is running. Now, this trend, hold on just a second here. All right, here we go. All right. This trend started way back. There we go. I'm still getting used to the interface on this broker I'm using. Good broker, don't get me wrong, but all right, let's see if we can get this adjusted here. All right. So this run started back in August, and it's just been running and running and running. And now it's taking a bit of a breather, and it's taking a bit of a breather here in October, the end of October. And through the month of October, it kind of flatlined and went into a range, and now it is going back again. And as you can see here, it is going beautiful. This is the 4-hour chart. And as you can see, it's just steadily rising. Take you down. We're going to go down to the hourly chart here. And as you can see, the red baseline, I'm using Ichimoku. As always, I use Ichimoku with all my trading. Forex, commodities, you name it, stocks. I'm an Ichimoku man. So as you see here, this is the baseline. It's pointing up. The price is riding right along the conversion line, beautifully along the conversion line. You got your nice green upward cloud here, and your lagging span is above the price action. So as you can see here, this is a beautiful trade. I'm gonna go back out to the 4-hour here, and we're gonna work our way down so you can really get a nice picture of what's going on. We got a ways to go, folks. With trades like this, you have a high chance, like I said, especially with the futures, with the commodities market, you can you never know the future. That's any kind of trader. You never know what the future is, okay? You only can do a guesstimate and just go along with whatever the market dictates. And right now, the market is dictating that this thing is going to keep rising, and it'll probably go back up to 43.96. Right now, it's around 42, 47. So we got quite a few points to catch with this trade if it goes that way. But like I always tell you, do your own analysis, use proper risk management, perform your own analysis, and these are just trades to consider. But like I said, this trade here, this gold trade is looking good. Right now, the price action is still going up. Yes, the conversion line is slightly pointing up, and yes, your baseline here is flat. But what can happen, just as it happened here, it can go flat for a little bit and then boom, go right back up. Okay. So this thing is beautiful. I'm gonna go to the daily, get the bigger picture here. As you see here, you got your blue. Let's see, get in a little closer. You got your blue conversion line still going up, still pointing upward. Yes, your baseline is flat, but you got to look at the price action. Look at these bars going steadily up. So what will likely happen is this, what is already happening, is your price action is going up, and it's going to continue to pull this blue conversion line up. Okay. And and as a matter of fact, I'm letting you know right now, I am in this trade. I have purchased gold. I am in the gold contract right now. This is the gold for December 2025, and I have purchased gold for December 2025, and I'm in for the long run. As you can see here, and like I was saying, you can see the price action going up, and you see right here previously how the price action just followed along with this conversion line. That's what's happening here. This price action is pulling this conversion line right along with it upward. And what's going to happen here Now, the interesting point will be when the conversion line and the baseline touch, when they have a kiss, when they kiss each other. That'll be when the battle begins. And that's when you have to be careful. And if you're not already in the trade and you're not already profitable, you have to decide if you're going to stay in that trade or get out. Or if you're not in the trade and you wait until these kiss, you have to wait. You know, a good suggestion would be just to wait and sit on the sideline and see what happens, either when they kiss and then the conversion line goes up, or it just turns away and goes back down towards the cloud. But another argument for this to continue to rise is you got this nice, thick, upward cloud. And as you can see here, it's just pointing up. You got your the top portion of the cloud pointing up, the bottom portion of the cloud pointing up. You got your conversion line pointing up, your lagging span above the price action. Everything is beautiful on this trade. You got all these solid green bars for like one, two, three, 4, 5 trading days so far. This thing has gone up. So this is a beautiful, 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 magnificent trade. I just got in this trade early this morning, and I'm gonna be honest with you. Just like I say with the euro dollar are the largest traded currencies in forex, in the currency market. As gold is the largest traded commodity in the commodities market. So what that means is the swings can be huge. I mean, enormous swings. And so if your game isn't tight, you can get pushed out of this trade fairly quickly, or your psychological capital, and what I mean is by your mental uh, bearing can be quickly burned out with this trade because the swings can be enormous. And I've been in this trade since about last night, about 10 p.m. And I'm gonna tell you, it's been a ride. It's been a ride, but I've been trading for a long time, so I have the experience. I have the mental bearing to hold on through those huge swings. And we just had a huge swing earlier. I'll go down to the 5-minute chart here. And as you can see, it went up, 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 up. Then it had a huge drop down. Now it's slowly recovering. And this has been going on all night long. Rise, drop, rise, drop, rise, drop, rise, drop. So if your mind isn't right, I'm telling you right now, you can get pushed out of this trade. But you can hold on, it'd be well worth it. We're gonna go back to the daily. But as you can see with the big picture here, look at this and how beautifully this has been going up. And then let's see, this is around April. Let's see. Like I said, this started. Forgive me. I said this run started back in August. I take that back. This has been going on since June of last year, June of 2024. So since June of 2024, this thing has been rising. So if you've been holding on since June, you're pretty wealthy at this point. You've made quite a lot of money. And like I say, with this, you have to have a lot of mental capacity because as you can see here, since June of last year, it goes up and then it goes into a range and then it goes up in range right here and up, then range. And now it's going up again. So always use good risk management. Always perform your own analysis and you can do well in trading. And like I said, I'm telling you, this is just a trade to consider. I wasn't in it. I just got in it today. You know, a couple of days ago, I was in the Dow because it was moving up. So I did pretty well with that. And now I am in the gold. So we're going to go down to the hourly. See, look here. Just beautiful. Look at that. Everything's pointing up. Up. This thing is just, gold is just going up. So I just wanted to go over this trade here and let you know that gold is the name of the game. It is looking so good. We're going to go down to the 5-minute chart. We had an earlier pullback, and now it's on the rise again. So The market, we got about another hour because right now it's 8:29 p.m. back home on the East Coast. So you have another hour and 1 minute for New York opens. So when New York opens, the commodities markets, Forex, they really take off. So this is a really nice trade to consider. Again, this gold is just beautiful. It's just going up. I'm in the hourly. Yes, the baseline is flat. The conversion line is a little flat, but like I said, this is the hourly chart. You always got, this is the minute chart, 5 minute chart. You really got to look at the bigger picture, which is the 4 hour chart. And it's, the conversion line is still going up. Baseline is flat. It's going to still pull up because if you go out further, the daily chart is still, the conversion line is still pointing up. So this is a beautiful trade to consider. You might hear my fiance in the background talking with her mother, but another beautiful trade to consider with this 4 hour. Like I said, this price action is going to pull this conversion line up. So beautiful trade to consider. I will talk to you again very soon. I've already scanned the commodities markets, and gold is it for today. I'll be back again soon with Forex. All right, good luck. Take care. See you soon.